I was always interested in land art. You know, this land art of the 60s and 70s, huge projects of artists, mostly American but also European. And from this we tried to look what has replaced land art of the older generation. What is the interest of contemporary art today about landscape? And of course it is more, the exhibition consists mostly of video and photography. So the artists of today do not go into landscape and interact with the landscape, but they develop certain perspectives on landscape. They are interested in ecological aspects, for example. I think they are interested about how to develop an idea of sight and of connectedness, because I think it's very important that we develop a conscious attitude towards landscape, which is not treated badly. In a lot of cases, landscape is treated badly by mining operations, by war, by all kinds of aggressive processes, and I think it's important to have another relation to landscape.
We had the idea, Eva and me, that the landscape itself, which is a construction, might have a memory embedded in it, in a very definite way. That if you look to the landscape, if you have a very sensitive looking to it, like artists are doing it, that they could just wheel out something which is embedded in the landscape, which is like a memory of the interaction with manhood, which produced then ecological disasters, damages by war and so on. This idea of a landscape is very powerful. It's a way to look to the world which in the European context appeared in the end of the Middle Ages and which showed a new way of how we interact with our environments in a very physical way also. But on the same hand, landscape became also produced also in a specific way to form our environments, that we look to it and interact with it in a specific way. So I think it's very important to look to it and to have a more closer look and a more differentiated look.